In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove attachments from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get rid of those embedded attachments, the little paperclip annotations that sit on the page, so your document is clean and ready to share. This process uses Adobe Acrobat Pro, so make sure you have the Pro version installed and that your PDF isn't locked for editing. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Give it a moment to load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. Once Acrobat is up, open the PDF you want to clean. You can do this by choosing File, then Open, or by dragging the file straight into the Acrobat window. If Acrobat displays a banner warning that the document is view-only or protected, note that you'll need editing permissions to proceed. With your PDF open, look for the attachment icon on the page. It appears as a small paperclip placed exactly where the attachment was added. Think of it like a sticky note, but for files. If your document has multiple attachments, you may see several paperclips across different pages. Zoom in if needed to make them easier to spot. When you hover over a paperclip, Acrobat often shows a tooltip with the attachment's name, which helps you confirm you've got the right one. Clicking the icon will highlight it, indicating it's selected and ready for changes. Now, remove it. Right-click directly on the paperclip icon and choose Delete. In some versions, the command may read Delete Annotation or simply Delete. Acrobat may ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and accept. The paperclip icon and the file it represents will be removed from that spot in the PDF. If you have more attachments, repeat the same action wherever you see another paperclip. If you delete the wrong one by mistake, use Undo, Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on macOS to bring it back immediately. Take a quick pass through your pages to ensure all the unwanted paperclips are gone. If you can't right-click or the delete option is grayed out, check whether the PDF is secured, part of a restricted review workflow, or opened in a limited mode. You'll need appropriate permissions to edit annotations in those cases. Also, make sure you're working in Acrobat Pro rather than a viewer that doesn't allow annotation changes. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Your PDF should now be free of those embedded attachment icons, keeping your document lighter, cleaner, and more professional. Thanks for watching and happy editing.